In this video, I will guide you how you can separate mobile numbers in Excel. This is simply depending on how your mobile numbers are currently stored. You can use several built-in Excel features to separate them. If your data changes frequently, formulas are better because they update automatically. For example, if you want to take 10 first digits from the left side, then you have to put the formula, put the equal sign, type left, open the bracket, give the cell's reference, comma, space, and put the number of digits you want to take in. For example, 10, and close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that you have taken the 10 digits from the left sides. So if you want to take last 10 digits, then you have to use the formula, put the equal sign, use the right and open the bracket, select the cell's reference, comma, space bar, put the number of digits you want to take in, for example 10, close the bracket, hit enter. And here you can see that. Another way is that if your numbers are separated by a character like a comma or a space or a slash, then use the text to column visit. For this, you need to select the column containing your mobile number and then go to the data tab and click on the text to columns. Choose the delimited and click next, and here you need to select the comma since you are having comma in your mobile number. Then click next and click finish, and now there is already data here, so you want to replace it. Yes, of course, click OK, and here you can see that the number have been splitted. So if you want to extract number without complex setting, Flashfill is the most intuitive tool. So in Excel, to your first number, manually type exactly you want the first mobile number to look. For example, 333213467 and hit enter. And now press the Ctrl plus E, and you can see that Excel should show a gray preview of the rest of the data and see the pattern actually what you want to do that. So with these methods, you can easily separate mobile numbers in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.